Tropical Cyclone Ann has strengthened to a Category 2 storm as it continues to push towards the Queensland coast. It is currently in the Coral Sea and moving slowly west-northwest. Wind gusts up to around 101 kilometers, with higher gusts of 129 kilometers, with heavy rain down towards Cairns from late tomorrow. Tropical Cyclone Ann is expected to weaken to a low before it crosses the coast south of the Lockhart River community on Wednesday. This out-of-season cyclone is expected to bring heavy rain and strong winds to parts of Queensland. Heavy falls and winds would likely be felt on the coast between Cooktown and Mackay, and inland to the Central Highlands. Southeast Queensland could also expect showers. According to the Australian Bureau of Meteorology, Queensland Regional Tropical Cyclone Warning Centre, as of Monday, 13 May 2019, Tropical Cyclone Ann, Category 2, with central pressure of 993 hectopascals, or millibars, was located over the Coral Sea near latitude 15.4 south and longitude 154.5 east, which is about 950 kilometers east of Cairns and moving west-northwest at 24 kilometers per hour. Tropical Cyclone Ann, Category 2, in the far eastern Coral Sea, is moving west-northwest. Ann is expected to continue to move in a west-northwesterly direction as a low-end Category 2 cyclonic system before beginning a weakening trend later today. The Bureau has updated the marine wind warning summary for Queensland for the period up until midnight Tuesday, 14 May 2019. A strong wind warning for the following areas: Peninsula Coast, Cooktown Coast, Cairns Coast, Townsville Coast, and Mackay Coast. Cancellation for the following area: Capricornia Coast. Wind warnings for Tuesday, 14 May. Strong wind warning for the following areas: Torres Strait, Peninsula Coast, Cooktown Coast, Cairns Coast, Townsville Coast, and Mackay Coast. The system poses no direct threat to the Queensland coast at this time. According to the Joint Typhoon Warning Center, Tropical Cyclone Ann, Storm 27P, also known as Invest 94P, has tracked westward at 13 knots over the past 6 hours, maximum sustained winds 55 knots, gusts 70 knots. The environment is marginal, with low 10 to 15 knot vertical wind shear and excellent poleward outflow. However, the weakening has started to occur because Tropical Cyclone Ann is being partially offset by a tepid 26 to 27 Celsius sea surface temperature and a tongue of relatively dry air wrapping in from the north. The marginal environment will limit further intensification, but is expected to allow Tropical Cyclone Ann to maintain intensity until 36 hours. At that point, increased vertical wind shear is expected to begin a gradual weakening trend. Shortly after 48 hours, landfall is expected on Cape York. Prior to 72 hours, the system is expected to be over the Gulf of Carpentaria. Prior to 96 hours, Tropical Cyclone Ann should dissipate in the top end near Grove in the Northern Territory. The majority of the global computer models are in agreement with the forecast track. Maximum significant wave height is at 21 feet. As we know, cyclones are unpredictable. No two are alike. HVN meteorologists will continue to track this cyclone closely, so please click on the subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner of the screen and bell for notification of new video updates.